Take a look at this one-owner Cadillac here at Unique, especially in classics. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Low miles, also under 30,000 miles on this one. Colonial yellow with the light yellow Sierra grain leather interior. Go ahead and take a look at this front grille, chrome, bright work. 7-liter underneath the hood, should be 425 cubic inch. V8, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the original wheel covers, white wall radials. This car still has the Uniroyal radials that would have came with it, that are included if you would like them. Take a peek at that interior. There's still plastic on the front carpeting up front. Light yellow partial vinyl roof. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also, a few extra parts that will go with this. There's a filler panel. Looks like for the rear tail light, as well as a wheel cover, a couple emblems. Looks like a filler panel was replaced. There's an old one there. That will also be in the still pictures if you want to check those out. Speaking of filler panels, you can see these are in nice shape. Also, one where fuel door is behind the license plate bracket. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. There are a few spots or where there's a chip here or there. I mean, it was driven. It's got 30,000 miles on it. You got to remember the age. So is the paint perfect on it? No. But does it show well? Absolutely. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So, of course, even being a 1978 Cadillac, still very nicely equipped. Power locks, power windows, remote mirror, see, power driver's seat, climate control, and again, AC is working. Tilt column, cruise control. One thing I did notice, I did not get the power antenna to go up, but the radio is in working order. Start it up, let's hear it run. All right, there's your exact miles, 22,992, so a little under 23,000 miles. That is all. Fuel gauge. AM, FM, radio. Take a look at this. Clock is working, if you can see the second dial moving. So clock is working, very stock dash. Of course, the Biarritz logo on the dash. Take a look at the top of it. Oh, radio. Make sure you. This radio does work. Take a little closer look at these seats just so you can see minimal wear. Look at that. Headliner, good shape. Slip around to the back seat here and run. Guess what you'd expect a stock 78 Eldorado to sound like. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to get this hood open so we can check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Look underneath the hood in the 7-liter. Power steering, power brakes. Like a newer master cylinder here. That's paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. And again, pretty much stock, what you'd expect 78 Cadillac engine bay to look like. Low mile, one owner, 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Just shy of 23,000 miles on it. Colonial yellow. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.